Hey folks, Don DeRosa here. I am super excited to tell you about an event that I'm having this weekend, March 16th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is going to be on the most popular topic in real estate today, and we're going to put it with a little twist. It is on Suject-To and how to buy property subject to, as well as what happens if somebody doesn't want to sell you a property subject to. So then we're going to kind of shift off and teach you if they don't want to do that and they don't want to literally give you the deed, we can show you how to do what's called a wraparound mortgage. So we're going to be covering those two topics on Saturday. During Saturday, we'll cover things like why businesses fail, why you should be doing subject to. We'll break it down into what I call the 6 basic steps. So we're going to break it down in very fundamental steps so you understand everything step by step. We'll talk briefly about marketing, but we're going to focus mainly on pre-screening the seller, what to say to the seller to get them to convince them to say yes. We're going to spend a lot of time on paperwork, how to negotiate with them, and then ultimately how to exit the process. What do you do with the property? How do you make money? Do you wholesale it? Do you buy and fix it? Do you rent it? So we're going to cover all the exit strategies that come along with the subject to or the wraparound process. So the thing starts at 9 a.m. It goes till 5 p.m. And if you're not familiar with what subject to is and you've been living under a rock, it is by far the most powerful technique there is today. And this event is backed by popular demand. So we did this event a while back, just a few months ago actually, and it's been so popular and people want to know so much about how to do a subject to. How do you get a seller to give you the deed, right? So the loan's not in your name. You don't have to go down to the bank and borrow money. Well, we're going to demystify all of that, and we're going to show you step by step how to do every single process from paperwork to meeting with the sellers to exit strategies. So click the link, sign up today, and I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, 9 a.m.